Yep, still got my Christmas lights up. That's only because I had COVID and a bunch of other issues starting around Christmas Day. So I'm only just now getting to taking down my lights. How many of you guys hot glue your Christmas lights to your bricks? Well, most of you probably have your own tricks for how to get these things off of here. And there's a good percentage of you that probably have seen this method that I'm going to show you now. And it's using 91% alcohol. You can use 70%, but 91% works better. All you got to do is squirt some alcohol right around the base where the glue is. I'm exaggerating. It works better in a spray bottle. Now, I've only got one hand that I'm working with here. So watch here. Oh, look at that. Comes off like magic. If it doesn't, get your little putty knife and kind of work under that glue a little bit. And that 91% alcohol will take it right off. Have a nice day.